Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. That is My Knowledge Park, and today we have to discuss regarding the model question paper of PUC second year, that English subject. In that one, what the key we have to understand? The key that we have to understand that 50 marks are allotted for prose and poetry, and rest of the 50 marks are totally allotted for the grammar section. So in model question paper, what that question number one will be there, that we have to think. Now what is the question number one? Question number one is a Roman first, and in that one, what you will have been asked? You will have been asked that answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions in a word, phrase, or sentence each. Try to understand, my dears. What I mean to say that question number first one, in that one, answer the following questions in a word, phrase, or a sentence each, and this question carries total 12 marks. 1 into 12 is equal to 12 marks. So the weightage for answer the following questions is given 12 marks, and that question number Roman first, in that one 12 questions will be there, and that question number Roman first is compulsory, it is mandatory, it has no option. Why it has no option? All 12 questions answer that you have to write. And what you have to write, how you have to write? In a word, in a phrase, or a sentence each only. For example, खाना खाए क्या? Yes or no, that only you have to say. मटन चपाती खाए बोल के नहीं बोलना. कब बोलना है? अरे भाई क्या क्या खाए हो बोलने के बाद बोलना है. There is some keys, and those keys we have to use over here. Then only your answer will be correct. Now question number Roman second, what it will be there? In that question number Roman first, total what will be there? 12 questions will be there. Now question number Roman second is there. Understand? In question number Roman second, how many questions will be there? Again it will be the same. Answer the following questions. Answer the following in 80 to 100 words. In 80 to 100 words. But what will be there? Answer the following questions in 80 to 100 words. Any 8 of the following. Any 8 of the following. Now in this regard, what you have to do? Just try to understand what I am going to tell you. This is the model question paper. In every year, whenever that annual exam is going to conduct at that time, such type of the model question paper is supposed to be just what you can say kept for just giving the answers by the 12th standard students. And model question paper, in that one, that question number, that sequence will be the same. Problems are supposed to be different. Question number first one, it is meant for 12 marks, it is mandatory, and 12 questions will be there, but 12 questions are supposed to be different. How they are supposed to be different? It can be asked from any one of the lessons or any one of the poems. Similarly, question number Roman second, you have to write the answer of each and every question, that too in paragraph form. How that too in paragraph form? That answer must be in 80 to 100 words, and it is going to carry how many marks? It is going to carry 4 plus 8 is equal to 32. I mean each question carries 4 marks, and 4 into 8 is equal to 32, or 8 into 4 is equal to 32. And in this question, the any 8 is there. It means that out of 10 or 12, you have to write the answer of any 8 of the followings. And what the information you will be given? The information you will be given that selecting any 2 from the poetry. Remember, my dears, prose and poetries, including prose and poetries, there are at least 14 lessons and poems are there. So what you have to do? Answer the following in 80 to 100 words, any 8 of the following, or answer the following any 8 of the following. In that one, choosing at least 2 from the poetry section, it will be there. And what you have to write? The answer must be written into minimum 6 to 7 lines. And next question, what will be there? The question number Roman third will be there. Question number Roman third. And in this question number Roman third, what it will be there? It is also the same. Answer the following. Answer the following. Any one of the. Understand? Answer the questions or answer the questions. Answer the question. Any one of the following. Any one of the following. Now what it will be there in this one? How that weightage is given? The weightage I already told you for prose and poetry 50%, I mean 100% question paper is there, that 50 marks are allotted for written, what you can say, for descriptive part of the question paper, and rest of the marks whatsoever that 50 marks are there, those are meant for grammar activities. Now first of all, how to be scored out of? If we have to score out of, then what we have to do? We have to follow the one of the keys. And what it is? That is a blueprint. Now what is blueprint? We will discuss later on. But first of all, I am going to focus on that model question paper or PUC second year. That too English subject. And remember my dears, in this one what it will be there? Answer the question any one of the following. I mean answer the following questions, any one of the following will be there, or answer any one of the followings will be there. Then it is meant for 1 into 6 is equal to 6 marks. Remember my dears, in question number first one there is no option. It is mandatory, it is compulsory, all the 12 questions answer that you have to write. Question number Roman second, in this one there is an option. There are optionals. How there are options? For example, you have to write the answer of 8 questions and you will have been given at least 10 to 12 questions. Out of 10 to 12 questions, you have to write the answer of any 8 of the following questions, and that too choosing at least 2 from poetry section. Now question number Roman third is also meant for answer the following. In that one what you have to write? Yeah, you have to write minimum 100 to 200 words. 100 to 200 words. The answer must be of that question number Roman third. In that one, any one of the questions, it must be within 100 to 200 words. That answer must be there. In short, it will be supposed to be summary type answer must be there. So in this one, what will be there? Here, 3 options will be given. How many 3 options? Remember my dear, sunny morning. It is meant for 11 marks. 1 plus 4 plus 6. It means it is meant for 11 marks, and in one answer, one question will be there from the sunny morning, and another question will be there from what we can say heaven. If you are not here on this earth, then where you are? Heaven if you are not here. And last one, the water. Understand, the water. So these are the 3 lessons are there. I mean two lessons are there, sunny morning and the water, and one is a heaven if you are not here on this earth, then where you are. It is by Kuvempu. Understand, Kuvempu is one of the best poets, and it is meant for 6 marks. Sunny morning, 1 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 11. Heaven if you are not here on this earth, then where you are? It is 6 only. Maybe sometimes 1 plus 6 is equal to 7 marks. And the water, what will be there? It is also carrying how many marks? Sometimes it carries 11 marks, sometimes it carries 10 marks. If it is asked for 10 marks, 4 plus 6 will be there. So out of these 3, what we can say, 2 lessons and 1 poem, you will have been asked answer any one of the following. And in this one, what will be there? 3 questions will be given. Out of 3 questions, what you have to write? You have to write the answer of any one of the questions. So now, question number first one, 1 into 12 is equal to 12 marks. Question number Roman second, 8 into 4 is equal to 32 marks. And question number Roman third, it is 1 into 6 is equal to 6 marks. So how much is that value? Yeah, it is totally 50. I mean 50 marks are meant for purely that prose and poetries, and you have to write the answer of of these questions that to correctly. How that to correctly? Answer the following. Just I am recalling once again. Answer the following. Question number Roman first. Answer the following. In that one, 12 questions will be there, and you have to write the answer of 12 questions without missing. Then you will be given the 12 marks. Question number Roman second. Question number Roman second is also answer the following questions. But how it is? That answer the following questions must be in one paragraph or more than one paragraph. It means at least you have to write the answer within 8 to 7 or 7 to 8 lines. And when after writing you will be given 4 marks. Each question carries 4 marks. And you have to write the answer of 8 questions. Now question number Roman third, it is meant for 6 marks, and in that question number Roman third, you have to write the answer of any one of the questions. Over 3 options you will be given, and you have to write the answer of any one of the questions. If you have to score out of in any one of the subjects, for that what you have to do, I will give you one of the keys. What it is that? That is blueprint. What is blueprint? Blueprint is none other than it is a framework that how many marks he is going to carry by each and every chapter. हर एक चैप्टर को कितने मार्क्स दिए गए हैं और कितने मार्क्स को कैरी कर रहा है, उसके बारे में आपके टेक्स्ट बुक के बैक साइड को मॉडल क्वेश्चन, इमीडिएटली मॉडल क्वेश्चन के बाद पीयूसी सेकेंड ईयर के अंदर पेज नंबर 143 इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट के अंदर आपको एक मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर ब्लूप्रिंट दिया है. वो ब्लूप्रिंट के अंदर फर्स्ट पोएम से लेकर एंडिंग जो वाटर पोएम है वहां तक का स्केच डाल के दिया है. और वो स्केच कैसे है? उस स्केच के अंदर क्वेश्चन नंबर रोमन फर्स्ट 1 + 4 = 5. I mean lesson number first also meant for 5 marks. In the same way, lesson number 2, that is 2 dear, it is also meant for 5 marks. In this way, such of things are there. So please you be careful and just you follow that model question paper, and definitely you will get the good marks. As you know my dears, if you like my channel, you like it, and if there is any comment, do not forget to just write that comment in comment box. We will come soon. Till then, take care.